Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick summary video. I've just finished doing a brew day, so I just thought I'd let you know what I've brewed up. Didn't bother filming any of the brew process itself, but just wanted to run over what I've brewed up, the recipe, etc. So yeah, look to doing another Pilsner. We're still in summer here, so I wanted something easy drinking. And really been enjoying my Pilsners. So I went onto the Hauraki Homebrew website and was looking for a new hop which would work well in a Pilsner, and I came across this hop here from the US. You guys may have heard of it before. Let me know if you've used it. I'll be keen to know what you think of it. So Luminosa from the US. It's clocking in at 12.5% alpha acid. So yeah, caught my eye. I think it's only been out a year or two. So just going over the recipe quickly. So yeah, brew day went well. So it's a very simple Pilsner recipe. So 94% Gladfield's Pilsner malt, 6% CaraPils, then hopped all the way through with the Luminosa. So it's for a 10 litre batch. I did 25 grams at 12 minutes to get my bitterness, so 31 IBUs, and then I was tossing up between splitting the rest between a hop stand and then a dry hop. But I thought, what the heck, we'll just do like a massive hop stand. So I put the other 75 grams in at 80 degrees or just under 80 degrees for a 15-minute hop stand. Going to ferment with the trusty Novalager yeast, and yeah, actually this is probably the important part. So yeah, what sort of caught my eye with the Luminosa hops and why I thought they'd work well on a Pilsner is just some of the characters that I found online. So you got things like peach mango lemonade, candied orange peel, papaya and guava, and then I think secondary flavours of like boysenberry and lemon zest, and also Luminosa in Latin means full of brightness. So yeah, really looking forward to trying it. Got my fingers crossed that it's going to be a really nice fruit bowl sort of Pilsner, lots of flavour and aroma, so we will wait and see. So there's the hydro sample there. Just starting to clear up as all the proteins start separating. So it came out at 1044, so depending, for me, Novalager finishes between sort of 1006 and 1008, so I think I worked that out at, I'll get between a 4.75 and a 5% beer, which is good for a Pilsner. So yeah, happy days. So we'll ferment this at 15 degrees. I've been mucking around with different temperatures. I think I did the last Pils at 13, but I thought I'll do this one at 15. No particular reason. It's worked well at 15 in the past, so we'll go for 15. So let's just a quick sample to check the bitterness. So like I say, I was aiming for 31. There's a nice little hit of bitterness up front. Yeah, not picking much else. You can pick up some sort of fruits from the hops, but it's obviously early days, only a hydro sample. So yeah, really looking forward to this one. So I'll do a tasting video in probably 2 to 3 weeks once it's been in the keg for a little while. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. If you're looking for a new hop, particularly for a Pilsner or a light style beer, possibly consider this. Until next time, drink good beer, and we will catch you next time. Cheers guys, over and out.
Thanks for watching Dina's Homebrew. If you like what you see, please comment, subscribe. Enjoy great beer.